Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
This month, or it would be wrong if we say the entire year, has been all about Indian Navy. The pace with which it is modernizing its fleet in line with Make in India initiative is very impressive. Not long ago, on 2nd September, Navy inducted first indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant. Recently, we have also informed that Taragiri, 5th Frigate of Nilgiri class, is to be launched on 11th September. Earlier, in February and April 2022, the last two Kalvari class submarine, Vagir and Vagir, commenced sea trials and launch respectively. In May 2022, Udaygiri, another Nilgiri class frigate, and Surat, a Project 15B class destroyer, was launched. Now, as the year of 2022 is near the end, Indian Navy is slated to induct two big vessels in its inventory. The first one is Project 15 Bravo class destroyer INS Mormugao, and second one is going to be fifth submarine under Project 75 called INS Vagir. These vessels are likely to be commissioned this month or maybe next. The first destroyer of P-17B, INS Vishakhapatnam, has already entered into service with Indian Navy on 21st November 2021. With capability to fire BrahMos ER or extended range missile, this destroyer is going to be absolute nightmare for adversaries in water. These vessels feature many cutting-edge technologies and are comparable to the best ships of similar class anywhere in the world. These ships have been designed indigenously by Indian Navy's Directorate of Naval Design. The four vessels of this class are Vishakhapatnam, Mormugao, Imphal and Porbandar, being built by Mazagon Dock Limited MDL. The Project 15B destroyers spans 163 meters in length, 17.4 meters at beam, and has displacement of nearly 7,300 tons. These ships will be propelled by 4 gas turbines to achieve speed in excess of 30 knots and has a range of 4,000 nautical miles. The destroyer is equipped with Israel's ELM 2248 MF-STAR S-band AESA multifunctional radars, Thales LW-08 D-band air search radar, BEL HUMSA-NG bow sonar. The warship is equipped with Shakti electronic warfare suite. Shakti will provide capability of the interception, detection and classification, identification, jamming of conventional as well as modern radars. The Shakti electronic warfare system will provide an electronic layer of defense against modern radars and anti-ship missiles to ensure electronic dominance and survivability in the maritime field. The vessels of this class are equipped with Otto Millera 76mm naval gun. For point defense, the vessels are equipped with 4 AK-630M close-in weapon system and 2 systems on either side of the superstructure. For anti-air warfare, the destroyers are equipped with 32 Barak 8 extended range surface to air missiles, also known as LRSAM, in 4 8-cell vertical launch system. For anti-surface warfare, the destroyers are equipped with 16 BrahMos anti-ship missiles, also used for land attacks, and they are enclosed in 2 8-cell VLS at the bow. For anti-submarine warfare, each destroyer is equipped with 2 twin torpedo launchers. It may be used for launching even Varunastra heavyweight torpedo developed by the DRDO. The destroyers are also equipped with 2 RBU 6000 anti-submarine rocket launchers, primarily for firing anti-submarine rockets. In future, Nirbhay cruise missile and the VL-SR SAM surface-to-air missiles have been speculated to be integrated with the destroyers. Now, coming back to the Scorpion class or Kalvari class submarine, in November last year, the fourth of the 6 Kalvari class submarine INS Vela was commissioned into Indian Navy. On 1st February 2022, the 5th submarine of this class called Vagir has commenced her sea trials and is slated to be commissioned this month. Vagir is Kalvari class diesel electric attack submarine, as we all know, based on the French Scorpion class submarine design. The Kalvari class submarines have displacement of 1615 tons when surfaced and 1775 tons when submerged. It can reach a top speed of 20 knots when submerged and a maximum speed of 11 knots when surfaced. The submarine has a range of 6,500 nautical miles at 8 knots when surfaced. The hull, fin and hydroplanes are designed for this submarine for minimum underwater resistance, and all equipment inside the pressure hull is mounted on shock absorbing cradles for enhanced stealth. The submarine is equipped with 6 533 mm torpedo tubes for combination of 8 heavyweight wire-guided German-made surface underwater target SUT torpedoes and SM-39 Exocet anti-ship missiles by MBDA, or 30 mines in place of both. The class is also fitted with mobile C-303S anti-torpedo decoys for self-defense. The weapon systems and sensors are integrated with Submarine Tactical Integrated Combat System (SUBTICS). It has a sonar system which is capable of low frequency analysis and ranging LOFAR, enabling long range detection and classification. The submarine's attack and search periscopes are equipped with infrared low light level cameras and laser rangefinders. These submarines have highly advanced combat management system and a sophisticated integrated platform management system. There are even plans to integrate DRDO's AIP system with submarine during refit program planned to commence from 2025 onwards.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.